Hey guys, it's Courtney with the Kitchen Garden, and the wind is kicked up and you can hear the wind chimes. It's a beautiful December day here in North Carolina, and we're getting a little break from some cooler weather. But every year I post my mini Christmas tree made from a tomato cage, and this year I decided, well, let me show you how I put it together. And so you'll see my supplies back there. Got a big nice pile of boughs from Christmas trees, and some of them came from ours and others just came from the lot. Usually Christmas tree lots are happy to give you the trimmings off the trees, and if not, seek out your neighbors who get real trees and see if you can get theirs. And then I just use I use a black plastic planter and a tomato cage, and I'm just gonna stuff, you'll see, the larger boughs I put at the bottom, much like a Christmas tree is larger at the bottom and it gets smaller as it goes up. And then I'll trim it up a little bit with my hand trimmers, but it doesn't take any more than 20 minutes to put this little tree together, and it lasts all season. The number one question I get asked is, doesn't it dry out? I've actually never had that happen. You know, it's only up for 3 or 4 weeks and the limbs have never dried out. I don't know why. I'm not asking any questions, but each year I'm literally tossing the limbs under our magnolia tree and they're still green. So there you go. Show you how to do it so you can make one yourself. Thanks guys. So now that I have all the limbs in there and it's taken the shape of a Christmas tree, I will get my trimmers out and I'll trim it up just a little bit. I don't want it to look too perfect, but it has some scraggly spots, so let's take care of that. On a side note, do not use your nice trimmers. These are like grody hand trimmers that I use for this because of the sap. So don't ruin your nice pruners on this project. Be pleased with that. So I'd like to put it on my porch and add some lights to it, but you can certainly leave it natural if you'd like. I know the tomato cage is sticking out the top, but I put a bow on it to cover that up because the bow is pretty flexible and covers a multitude of error. Anyways, so that's how you put it together, guys. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope that you'll make one, and I would love to see a picture of it. You can tag the Kitchen Garden on Instagram and show me your mini Christmas trees made from tomato cages. Thanks, guys. Bye.